1. Connect computers and machines. A. Plug in the data cable of the computer and machine. Small head connection marking machine. Big head computer. B. Turn on the machine switch. 2. Install the driver. A. Insert the USB flash drive in the kit. B. Copy the files in the kit to drive D of the computer. C. Open the driver file of the software file in Drive D. Install the software inside. 3. Install the software. A. After the installation is complete, find the BSL software in the file. Right-click to set the shortcut. 4. Adjust parameters. A. Open the BSL software on the desktop. A. Open the BSL software on the desktop. B. Click the yellow gear. Click on the working range and modify the X, Y, and dimensions here. Fill in the dimensions according to the values on the parameter paper. XY is usually half that value. C. Click Confirm and click the parameter F3 below. Adjust the corresponding parameters in the software according to the parameter paper. All the changes I'm going to make are marked here. This is the parameter paper of my machine. The parameters of the parameter paper in each machine are not consistent. Please adjust according to the content on the parameter sheet you received. It is worth noting that BSL ports are generally set to 0. D. Then we click the T. Then click on the red H. Adjust according to my settings. Click Finish.